Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajing yalang jong kilai tali ki Autonomous District Council kabalalong haka arfun roi terik benai jeliu arjar khat kendai kalabu sengi biang ban syong ya kajing yalang haduk ka arfu praterik benai jeliu arjar khat kendai. Haka jing yalang kabalalong haka ni kesngi naka KHADC lami khmat dau Deputy CEM u Chairman ka KHADC bat katto kane ki Executive Member kadbana kaliang ka JHADC lawan mi khmat tang arngut ki Executive Member bat nakaliang ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council lawan mi khmat dau CEM bat katto kaningut ki Executive Member. Ka jingkhot jong ka KHADC ya kani ka jingalang jong ki laiteli ki Autonomous District Council kalong ban ya keren sani halor ka jing terwa ka sarkar India ban nganra ya ka jing penbek thamai ha ka 6 schedule jong ka riti sanchar kari India bat ki wei ki mat ki bayadai bat ka bha ka miat jong ki District Council.
Bede begini ka jing kenduk ka jungi yang mentang impat lah hiban penkut ya ka meeting maka dan proses of discussion but bangin shim sekali-kali kira ke badan kam haka next meeting te yang mentang impat yo ekalat si ban brief thoroughly haka bede kanika jing kenduk jungi ki lightly ki ADCs hani po mikalaya de si chairman jungi la ban dan katukan ni ban semua haka bede bak kanika meeting.
Kumpulan negara itu Deputy CM kalau ngaji saya, it is very true that till now it is inconclusive because we have to discuss again along with the 3 ADCs. We have from the Garo Hills, Jayanthe Hills. We discussed so many issues. Now, matrai pikir now bah, akan ika. We are very happy that the government come with this new proposed amendment, especially to include us in the Article 20. That we are very happy. Jadi isu kan katakan elak segi bagi dan kampanye nanya discuss isu mah kumki dia buka di nominate MDC nangta dia buka election section to the minister bar or what we can say village council dan nangta discuss isu saya ni mungkin municipal council ini pada committee of conclusion whether the municipal council is applicable or as per our custom and traditions. Kita tahu macam yang kumau ni tak penyak yang tak ada kita long para ifi kan ka concrete suggestion sebagai government tu tendai kalau bangin nang itu ban next dengan pala apa ngai tentatively by maybe first week second week of July because we have already discussed that after we complete our discussion we jointly we will write to the state government or central government as on our views and suggestion. But that will be another series of meeting. I think we can meet again on first second week of July.